Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable saving YouTube activity history on Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable saving YouTube activity history on Google Chrome, go to your Google Chrome and in search type My Activity. Click on My Activity and here you will find a link. Welcome to My Activity. Click on Welcome to My Activity and here you will find YouTube history and now it's turned off. Just click on YouTube history. Scroll down. Here you will find YouTube history is turned off right now and you will find a button turn on. Click on turn on button here and now scroll down and then you will find a button here turn on. Click on turn on and look, the setting is on. Now click on got it and you will find here under YouTube history the status is on. That means saving YouTube history is turned on in my Google Chrome browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.